Cool, we're just down at the Manly pub. Just killing a bit of time before we go for a shoot. Yeah, I think shooting's at 4 o'clock. So got an hour to kill, so yeah. Just having a sneaky one. I'm not getting too pissed on can't be shooting firearms. So yeah, it's a lovely afternoon down here. I've got prime parking right out the front there. The green machine. Anyway. Well, we've got some supplies for after the shoot. It's getting a bit chilly, so I'm going to duck home, put these in the fridge and grab a jumper. But, yeah, check out me parking right at the front of the Manly Hotel. Yeah, it's a nice area, this one. Yeah, some nice cafes, and I like that restaurant up there, the deck, Manly Deck. It's one of my favourites. And yeah, I'm parked up out the front here. That's where I was sitting. Yep, scooter kid. Cool. Cool, yeah, just gonna head back home and put these beers in the fridge. Beers in the fridge. Oh look, my aerial works again. Yay. And yeah, we'll go back down the waterfront because it's a nice pretty drive. And yeah, now everyone decides to come out driving. View off this hill here. Yeah, it's a steep one. Oceana. Oh, there goes my fucking beer. Yeah, nice view off this hill. Actually. Yeah, you can see the whole bay almost. Could be out in the boat maybe. Wind's starting to pick up. And yeah, we'll go down the waterfront. You'll exit stage left. Afternoon. Now I'll pop this back on when we're getting closer to the range. This corner, but no, we're stuck behind pace car 1 and 2. from here. Well, almost here. Round the next corner. Yep, just up over this hill. Yeah, it's a nice afternoon for a shoot. Yeah, it's not so windy up this way. All of these fuckers. I've had someone pull out of me before. Fucking wankers. Yeah. Oh, Anzac Day. That's this Friday. All the Anzacs. Australian New Zealand Army Corps. Yeah, check out the range. Set this shit down. The whole volume button. Skids. Cool, yeah, I haven't been down here for a while. Yeah, I haven't had my logbook filled out for ages. Yeah, they're getting up me. No, not really, but yeah, I need to get my logbook filled out a bit more often. Just been lazy, not coming down here. Yeah, being a club member, it only costs $10, so yeah, $10 and some ammo. And yeah, provide your own guns, I guess. They've got a club Glock if you do want to borrow a club Glock. That's what I started on. It shoots pretty well. Yeah, and I don't know what's playing on the CD player at the moment. Yeah, should have brought the 4B. Put new exhaust on this actually. So yeah, just giving it a test run. It sounds pretty good and running sweet as. But yeah, I don't want to wreck it down this dirt track. Pretty corrugated as well. So yeah, it's not real good for the suspension. Yeah, we're just going to the 50-metre range. Bloody shit house speeder. Commodore doesn't like it at all. Scrapey. Donk donk. Yeah, beautiful afternoon. It's just coming on 4 o'clock. Yep. We're next range. There might be a few down tonight. Not sure. I haven't been down here this year, I don't think. Yeah, slack. Very slack. So, yeah, we're just up around the corner here. Yep, to the left's the rifle range where I shoot sometimes, and to the right, handguns. So, yeah, shooting, but yeah, handgun range down here. Not many here yet, so it's good. I can get in there, straight in there. Hopefully Simon's here because he's got my MP9. If not, I'll hang about and have a look. Cool, it's easy in there. Cool, just got down here. Yeah, I left the key at home for my lockbox, so I've had to borrow some 9mm ammo off a mate. So yeah, at least I can still shoot. But what a wanker! Yeah. So yeah, if I can't find the key, I'll be getting the grinder out. Ooh. Let's wait for old Simon to come down. Yeah, check out these bad boys. I thought it was a Smith & West, mate. Bang on every time.
Overhandling the firearms during the ceasefire.
Well, I've got my awesome sunnies on. They should help me shoot a bit better. And yeah, got these funky headphones going. Can hear everything except for the gunshots. But yeah. Yeah, new toys. I might wear them to work too. They're pretty cool. But yeah, check out me sunnies. They might help me shoot better. I doubt it. Cool. Wrong way.
Good luck. I guess at the end of the day, people work together. So when there's a yeah, you're the boss.
Get a bit quicker at this one.
You're going in the wrong way.
Really?
Huh?
No, yeah, I am.
Not as quick as you thought.
No, I thought they were going in nice and easy.
Let me know if that's all sorted, that paperwork is right.
Well, there you go.
What you should do with that gun now is give it to someone that's too fucking good.
Cool. Round 2. Told you, been a while.
See, I knew you'd have to start at the basics, that's why I didn't do it.
Yeah, it's first shoot for this year. I just noticed on my book. Oh, 10.
Sure it was 10?
I'll double check. I'll squeeze it down. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm gonna go back in my holstery things. And old Simon, he's got one eye today, so we'll see how he does his shooting. Yo, 367. 9.
Yep, clear that.
Yeah. Okay. I'm on the firing line, so.
Yeah.
Make lots of noise.
Anyway, lots of noise.
Good stuff. I like that. You need to do more of it.
Too right.
Oh, why not?
He'll have more time on his up his hands these days. Yeah, thanks, Simon.
That's all right.
Yeah, I started shooting a few way to the left, so yeah.
I don't buy as much of it anymore. Yeah, how much you gonna sell? Just what you got?
1,550 bucks.
They'll definitely buy it.
I'll sell the whole thing. Okay,
everyone's back. Right now open. That's good. That's good. That's protection on. Ready. When you're ready, time, go off.
7 went missing.
You're going to lay it up there.
Oh!
let the boys that work.
Mill 357. Bullseye. That's it. This one again.
That ramp, push it forward. That's it.
That's it. Got some more? Cool.
Another one.
Yeah,
Get her up again.
definitely. Another 6. Yeah, definitely gonna have to give you some coins for rounds, Simon.
Already?
Oh,
Still anticipating.
still, yeah. Cool. Sweet. There we go. Check the target. Looks pretty bang on.
Right.
Lights on. Yeah, what time is it? Go check the target. Whoop. Cool, I might just leave this one up there and keep shooting at it with the 9, but oh yeah, check out those holes. That's what she said, maybe.
The revolver definitely suits you better.
I think so. Yeah. I'll get used to the 9 mils. MP9. Got another twin I might put down. Oh. Oh, back to the MP9.
Come on down, make your money.
And empty. There's the. Oh, forget they're in my pocket. Little holstery thing. I was on target though. See?
You know what you're doing wrong.
The last 20 was making it count. Oh, and empty. Sweet. Well, I think that might be more.
357.
Yeah, one more 357, why not? Why the hell not? Oh, bit of a nickel plated round, I think, that one. Yeah, look at the size of these bad boys compared to the 9mm.
After I've done my
Click. Ching ching. Cool. Big rounds. Only a Simon. You gonna have a blast?
Huh?
You gonna have another blast?
No.
Oh, check out what old mate's got down the end there. It looks pretty tactical. Yeah, not sure what that is. We'll have a look. Cool. That one. This was the 9mm and the 357. You can see the difference in the holes. I'm going to take both these targets because they're both mine. Look at it. Put some holes into it. Yeah, nice one. Cool, done for the day. Nice sunset. Haven't been down here when the lights are on. I'm usually pissed off by now.
Winter time, so it's getting dark.
Yeah, too right. Yeah, cool. Yeah, thanks again, Simon. He's my trainer.
What happened to Morris?
Oh, he's out having dinner with his girlfriend. Yeah, I did ask him. Yeah, cool. See you, Simon. Cool. Oh, we're out of here. What time is it? Just gone 5 o'clock. Nice one. Pop, pop, poppity pop pop. Stop popcorn. Yeah, it's getting a bit full down here now. Good getting here early. Oh shit, here we go. Get around this guy. Mexican standoff. No, he's going up there. Cool. Drifting. Rifle range must be open. Cool, yeah, should be home in about 20 minutes. Oh, look at that, I've got a bourbon waiting for me. Cool, yeah, beautiful sunset. Sunset through the bushes. And Mr. Speed Hump. Easy days. Thank you, he's gonna let me go past. Thanks, brother. time you call, lest we forget. Cool. Watch me boot it out on the highway. If I get it, looks a bit busy. Go. Of traffic up here, so yeah, we'll make that a video. Have a good one, peoples.